In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Stockx order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the Stockx site to see the latest status of your purchase and understand what each screen is showing you so you can follow your order from purchase to delivery with confidence. Start by heading to stockx.com in your browser. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and the flow is very similar if you're using their app. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the screen and click on Profile. If you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can view your personal order information. That's expected since tracking details live in your account area. Inside your profile, select Buying. This section is the hub for everything you've purchased or bid on. It's also where you'll see live statuses for your orders. For example, you might see updates such as the seller preparing to ship to StockX, the item being authenticated, or the package being shipped to you. Think of the buying page as your real-time overview. It gives you a snapshot of where things stand without digging too deep, which is perfect when you just need a quick check. For a more complete picture, go to History within the Buying section. This view lists your purchase history and includes finer details for each order, such as the item, the purchase date, and status changes as they happen. When a tracking number is available, it typically appears here alongside the order details. In many cases, you'll see a carrier name and a tracking code, and it may show as a link you can open to view the carrier's progress. If you don't see tracking yet, it usually means the seller is still shipping to StockX, or the item is going through authentication, which comes before StockX sends it to you. A few quick tips to help you interpret what you see. StockX generally provides tracking after authentication is complete and the item has left their facility. If the status hasn't moved for a short time, give it a little room. Updates often come in batches. If you have multiple orders, use the filters and search tools in your buying history to narrow down to the exact item you're checking. And if an order appears significantly delayed past the typical timeline, you can visit the help section on the site to review their guidance and contact support. That's it. Visit stockx.com, open your profile, go to Buying, and then open History to view tracking details and status updates. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.